Hi there, I'm Tim Metz. I'm the Director of Content Engineering at Animalz, and I'm going to show you one of our workflows that we have built around the AirOps MCP. We've created a flow that starts with a Chrome extension that's a clipper, and that allows you to pull in materials into a Notion database, which Claude Code then reads, and through the AirOps MCP turns into a brand kit. We deal with a lot of materials that come in and they have to be analyzed and they have to be set up. And for this reason, we landed on this process because it makes it much easier for the team to first collect all the materials to the clipper, get it in a database instead of having it like in Slack and email, and then helping Claude Code to create a first version of the brand kit, which then nicely through the AirOps MCP goes straight into the customer's brand kit. So let's get into it. So in my case, I want to add these two articles to my brand kit. So we have this icon here with the Animalz A, and that's the Animalz clipper that we vibe coded. We submit to Animalz, it's adding it to the database. And so now when we go to the raw materials database, you will see that items have been captured here. And now I go to Claude Code and we have a special command, create LinkedIn brand kit. Claude Code is going into Notion. It finds my brand kit ID. It's extracting those materials we just saved. 10 pieces, 2 were in Notion, 8 were in a local project folder. And what it does now, which is pretty cool, it checks against the 8 components that we need for the AirOps brand kit. Audiences, competitors, content type, short form post, long practical carousel. It's defining the writing rules and it's defining content strategy. Now it will use the AirOps MCP server, inserting all this information in there. Now let's go to AirOps, and here you can see that we've actually added my brand kit. Tim Metz, about your brand voice and tone. And now the last thing I want to show you is the style calibrator that we vibe coded, which is a very cool way to further refine your brand kit. When we say start calibration, it will start to ask us questions, choose which one. This way you go through all the 10 questions, and then at the end when you submit it, that information will be analyzed by Claude Code and then sent back into the MCP to update the brand kit. That is the whole end-to-end process. I hope you liked it. See you in the next video.